What's going on, YouTube fam? This is the Wealth Investing Network. We do this for the win. Today is December 1st. You're getting a sneak peek into my stock portfolio and a sneak peek into my research on stocks. Today, I'm talking about stocks I bought and could continue to buy if they're on sale. So, I figured this would be a decent topic. We just passed Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So, what's still on sale? Well, maybe some stocks, maybe Academy Sports and Outdoors, maybe At Home. These are some retailers you might want to take a look at, and I'm definitely long these stocks. So, let's jump straight into Robinhood. Let's check out Academy Sports and Outdoors. Listed early in October. This is their chart so far. Nice little run up. Can't complain about that. I've got a nice little average cost. Couple shares here, couple shares in other accounts. Checking out the description, Academy Sports and Outdoors Inc. owns and operates sporting goods retail stores. It offers a broad assortment of hunting, fishing, and camping equipment gear, sports and leisure products, footwear and apparel. So, hunting and fishing, these are some of the things that has made it considered essential. So if I could be mistaken, but I don't think that these stores closed down during the pandemic. Not to say that they weren't impacted by the worldwide health crisis. I just don't think they were forced to close like a lot of retailers were. We have a PE ratio. Ding, ding, ding. Retail earnings are kind of in the works right now. So their first earnings that you'll see here on Robinhood is expected in about 2 weeks. Our other company just reported earnings. So let's take a look at Home Group, ticker symbol HOME. So you can see I've got a nice little average cost here. I'm doing well. This is their 5-year chart. At Home Group Inc. operates home decor superstores. Its products include accent furniture, bar stools, bedding and bath products, beds and mattresses, candles, Christmas decorations, consumables, Easter decorations, floor plans, trees. Okay, I think we get it. So I'm going to stop there. But I will say that we're spending more and more time at home. I personally work from home. I know a lot of people do, and will continue even after the worldwide health crisis changes. While people spend more time at home, they could be more likely to spend more money on their surroundings at home. I've checked out their website. I'm not going to show it here. However, both of these companies have a decent website built out, and I know that online sales have gone straight up because of the worldwide health crisis. Jumping into the quick and dirty analysis, keep in mind these are rough estimates, rough estimates based on what I could find. We got the stock tickers here, company names, sector and industry, consumer cyclical, specialty retail. There are some winners and losers. However, when we're looking at Academy Sports and Outdoors, you also want to look at, say, Dick's Sporting Goods, Bass Pro Shops. When you're looking at Home Group, you might want to look at other home decor stores. Moving right along. These companies have similar market caps, and you can see their stock price and their shares outstanding. Now, let's look at the PE ratio, price to earnings. Are they making profits? Academy Sports and Outdoors? Yes. At Home Group actually had to shut down during the worldwide health crisis for a period of time, and I don't imagine that future lockdowns could shut down the stores. Maybe it's a possibility, but take a look. These are both huge retail stores, and the trend seems to be, hey, as long as you have the PPE, people are wearing masks, you won't have to shut down. However, that could change. You can see here from their earnings, this was a terrible quarter. And that's what's dragging them down. However, as an investor, my expectation is that they will get that positive PE ratio back. Now, before we jump back into the quick and dirty analysis, you can see how I've been doing on this platform pretty nicely. They help me get started. If you think they can do the same for you, after doing your research, I have links in the description that can help us both get free stocks together, and I'll open mine live in future videos. And not just Robinhood, also Webull. Check them out. So, getting back into the quick and dirty analysis here. Talked about PE ratio. One thing that we talk a lot about on this channel is the price to sales ratio. For every dollar of sales that these companies make, what is the price that you're paying? Are you paying a premium or are you buying at a discount? With these companies, you are buying at a discount. With Academy Sports and Outdoors, you're buying at a huge discount here. Look at this, 27 cents. At Home Group, 85 cents. Now, keep in mind, this is common for retailers at the moment. Consumer cyclicals. It kind of behaves in cycles. So I like this. Let's keep going. Total revenue, $5 billion here, $1.42 billion here. Nice revenue growth. Nice net income margin. At Home Group, not looking as good. Could be higher, but this is respectable. Now, I've added new sections here. I'm going to scroll down to the projections and growth. It was a little more exciting in our last video. However, a lot of these retailers are not issuing guidance because things are a little bit up in the air. And sometimes that makes investors nervous, and that's partially why you can get some of these on sale. However, it would be nice to see what they think the revenue forecast is. The analysts kind of have it as flat. They haven't issued guidance, but the companies themselves, but the analysts, I believe, just based on my research, they're looking at it to be kind of flat. One last thing from the analysts is the analyst target mean or average price. You can get both of these companies at a stock price under the analyst target mean price. And I'm going to try to get this video out as quickly as possible so that these don't change and I have to put my foot in my mouth here. One thing I haven't talked about yet is debt. Here's an article from the Motley Fool. Does At Home Group have too much debt? So they're kind of saying here that At Home Group was sold to a private equity group in 2011, and they kind of brought it into the public markets to reduce the debt. You can see that their debt has actually increased, and that worries some investors, and I understand that. So, scrolling down again, there's a part I want to highlight here. The downside of debt usually doesn't materialize until a company or the economy hits a rough patch. So, I'm personally bullish on 2021, especially for retailers. I think they're going to make it out. I think that debt is cheap right now. A lot of refinancing is happening. And I think that we Americans are going to continue to shop. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you're here to watch my path and what I'm doing, great, because these videos are for entertainment. So that's just my thesis here. Moving on to Academy Sports and Outdoors here. They came public on October 2nd. With most of the media focused on big tech IPOs, this specialized retailer may have slipped past investors' radars. I think so. Let's scroll down. So the article goes on to talk about their different competitors, the market, fishing, hunting, etc. Well, I want to just talk in this section right here about they also have a lot of debt. Take a look, Dick's Sporting Goods, their market cap's $5.5 billion, and they really just have a revolving credit line of $400 million of convertible notes, right? However, Academy needs to show investors how it plans to manage the balance sheet over time. I'm quoting here. It currently has $1.4 billion in long-term debt. This could be more than manageable. Some of the proceeds from its IPO, about $200 million, are earmarked to pay down debt. So just essentially, it could be worth a buy because the debt is manageable. However, they do have a lot of debt. For a growing company, that might not be as much of a concern unless, like in the last article we saw, the company or the economy takes a downturn. Again, projections and growth, we're just really not sure. However, based on the current numbers, for me, I would say that this is a deal and that these stocks are on sale right now. And if they dip under my cost basis, I don't mind stepping in and buying a little more. If you want to share what you know about these stocks, drop a comment. I'll try to respond while you're there. Hit that like and subscribe. It helps us grow, helps the YouTube algorithm, helps me provide better content. It's a win-win, and we like that here at the Wealth Investing Network. I'm not on social media. This is just about sharing knowledge on YouTube. So drop a comment here. If you still want to reach me but don't want to, leave a comment, send me an email at the link in the description, TheWealthInvestingNetwork@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.